Hey, Scott Young here. I hope you're doing really good today. In this video, we're going to talk about the top three most profitable affiliate marketing niches in the world today. Now, when we refer to affiliate marketing niches, one word that you'll often hear is the word evergreen. It's an evergreen niche. Well, what does that mean? Evergreen is a term that means that there is continual demand in this niche. Not only is there a continual demand that people are always wanting products in this niche, but there's always new people being added every single day. You know, there's people graduating from college and coming in to the marketplace. They've now got an income and they're looking for goods and services that they couldn't afford when they were in college, let's say. Or even people from other countries whose economies are growing, they're gaining affluence, and the incomes that they can now afford to buy products and services that are in these niches. So these are evergreen niches. So let's just jump into the top three, okay? So the first one is health and wellness. You know, people are always looking to get healthier and to be more well in all that they do. This is going to be a $6 trillion industry by the year 2025. So it's just absolutely enormous. You know, some of the top sub niches in here are weight loss, diet, exercise, things like skincare products and supplements. I mean, there's just a ton and a ton of various sub niches within this, and people are really hungry to purchase products here because we all want to feel better. All right, the second sub niche, the second niche that is evergreen and super profitable is the make money online space. So this is super powerful because so many people are trying to get out of the rat race. You know, they're trying to get out of the 9 to 5, or for most people, it's 8 to 6. They're trying to get out of that and become, self-employed, work from home. They want to be entrepreneurs and not tied to a job like they're used to. And the internet provides unprecedented opportunity to get out of the rat race. So a lot of people are looking online for opportunities to make money and to get out of that 9 to 5 rat race. Now, some of the ideas in here can be, e-commerce. You could be, doing things as simple as selling books, putting links out there to books that you've read and making recommendation. You could be selling cameras or phones or, all sorts of different things on the online space. One of the big opportunities in affiliate marketing is for training and education. This is a huge opportunity because it's totally digital. There's no physical product that has to be handled, but there's some really great training and education programs out there about how to make money online. In fact, the one that I recommend, I'm going to put a link down below in the description below this video, and you can check it out if you'd like, just to get an example of what one of these training programs is like. So the other thing that people are doing in affiliate marketing within the make money online space is the tools that go into making money online. Sales funnel builders, hosting companies, domain registration, autoresponders. All of these are opportunities that you could make money by letting people know about these products. All right, the third most profitable niche is lifestyle. Lifestyle has a ton of sub niches within it that are very popular and very profitable. Some of these are like self-improvement, personal development, even as broad as travel, luxury goods, and luxury services. All these kind of fit within the lifestyle brand, as people, like I said, from other countries, gain the income and the affluence, they're looking for some of these lifestyle opportunities that can really bring some benefits to their lives. So there's really a lot in here. I would recommend with any of these evergreen niches, they're so huge, so broad, I would recommend picking a sub niche within one of these three opportunities and then really focus on a targeted group of people within that sub niche. You want to stand out from the crowd of these big niches and get down to a really narrow and focused group, and then you could target a message to that group, and you could really rise above the noise of kind of the general internet hubbub if you have a specialized message for those people that you're going to recommend a product to. So even in a small targeted niche, within one of these three, it's still a huge opportunity. You can easily make a six-figure income in a very small targeted niche. And a lot of people are making millions of dollars even in small niches because there's just so many people online looking for products within these evergreen areas. So I hope you got some value out of this. I hope you could see that there's a lot of opportunity out there if you'll take action, and it's just an amazing time to live in. So give me a thumbs up down below if you like this video, or subscribe to my channel for more value-packed content, or leave a comment down below if you'd like to kind of talk about some of these ideas, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks.